everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will show you on how to mute, remove, and replace copyright claim music or cover song, step by step. First, we need to open our YouTube in any browser that you have, example Firefox, Safari, or this Chrome. Tap that one, then tap this three dot, tap new tab, type this https, this one www.youtube.com/account. Tap that one, then tap this profile logo, tap Creator Studio. Then now we are here in our channel dashboard. Now tap this three line, tap this content, tap. As you can see, this is our videos. This is the one with copyright claim. So tap here, this one, tap, then tap this pencil icon. Now tap this three line. So this pencil icon is the details, and this one is the editor. So first, we will tap this details. This copyright claim, tap see details. This content ID claim on your video doesn't affect your channel. And here, it's ineligible. As you can see here, video cannot be monetized. Here you can see copyright owners. We'll tap this select action, tap. Then here, you can trim, replace a song, and mute. You can even dispute. If you know that you have the rights to the content or the video, you can dispute. Let me show you how to trim this one. Tap that. You can trim the claim parts of the video. Remove the parts of the video where copyrighted been claimed. Tap continue. Then it says here, ready to trim. This process might take a while after your video has been trimmed. Will update any viewing or monetization restriction. The video will remain in its current state until this process is complete. So, now tap this trim. Now processing video. So we have to wait. After trimming, now we will try to mute. Now let me show you also how to mute. So again, we will select. So I will select this one, this copyright claim, public. So tap this one, copyright claim. Tap. Then tap this see details. Tap again this select action. Then now tap this mute song. Tap. Then from here, you can choose either this mute all sound when song play, or you can mute song only. Now let me show you on how to remove audio and replace. So select. So we'll select this one. Tap this pencil icon. Tap this three line. Then here, as you can see, editor. Tap that one, tap. Now tap this music icon. Tap this plus sign. Tap replace audio to clear a copyright claim. So tap this return to editor. Then here, as you can see, there is a free music. So you can choose from here the one you want to replace. So I will choose this one. Tap that. YouTube Audio Library License. You're free to use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribute is required. Tap this done, then tap that, tap this add, or you can choose. So we will try this other one. Play. So it's up to you guys, you can choose. Now it's here. The one we choose is already here. As you can see, this is here already. Then if you don't like that, you can just tap this remove. Then as you can see, this one until here only. We will choose again the second one. Then tap again this add. Then after that, second one that you choose, you can drag this one, the second one. So drag. We will drag so until here. And you can also blur part of your video. So we will tap this blurred part. You can just tap this one. Then here you can choose face blurred and custom blurred. Now if that one is okay with you, just tap this save. We're done, guys. If you learned something, give it a like, share, comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. God bless us all. Bye.